up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. It's almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon, Tuesday afternoon. I'm bored. Let's go downtown and let's get some pictures of the bike. Alright guys, samahan niyo ako today. I was thinking of taking some pictures, and this, full disclosure lang, I'm not pro at this, pero meron tayong camera. We're gonna use it today kasi medyo matagal na siyang hindi nagagamit, and I have no other places na maiisip kundi downtown. Kasi sa downtown Las Vegas merong mga murals, mga graffiti, parang art district siya in a way eh. So maghahanap tayo ng magandang wall na merong art or graffiti or kung ano man yung mga ginagawa nila doon. And then we'll take some pictures of the Sprint, of the Bieber Vespa. Pasensya na kayo at hindi siya nalinisan today, madumi siya. Hindi tayo nakaka-attend sa mga cleaning session, bike wash session ni Mr. Sarap Vlogs at ni Bomac TV. But they are both working today, kaya ako lang ang off and wala akong mayaya na kasama today. So, instead na masayang yung araw, we're gonna go ride. So naisip ko lang today kasi day off natin, and yung ating madalas na kasama na si Bomac TV at si Mr. Sarap Vlogs, pareho silang nag-work today. And this is day 2 of the 3 long days sa work. Kahapon nag-start yun, today tsaka tomorrow. Pero I believe bukas off na sila pareho, but I'm not sure kung makakapag-ride tayo. Pero isingit na natin ngayon just in case lang na walang ma-ride. Nag-upload tayo kagabi. Hopefully you saw that upload na ginawa natin kahapon. I'll send the link up here and check it out na lang. O diba guys, ang daming artwork. Dito tayo mag-start. Tignan natin kung ano magawa natin. Ito ang ating camera. I will try this. Alright, let's move on to our next location. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Antiques. Okay din yan, antique. Subukan natin dito. Hindi pa tayo nakalayo. Meron na tayo agad nakitang location, but I don't even know if it's good. Let's go 16 mm. Alright, what else can we see here? Oh, I think I found something new. Oh, you know Las Vegas. Let's go over there too. Okay, gawa muna tayong picture. Mamaya na tayo mag-record ng video. Grabe guys, ang hirap pala mag-picture. Parang mas maganda pa yung mga pictures na nakuha ko sa iPhone versus dun sa actual camera ko. Oh my god, this is hard. Pero umiinit na. And marami pang pwedeng ikutan dito na pwede natin pagpicturean. Malalaman nyo rin agad kung anong klase yung, kung ano yung mga kinuha ko sa phone, tsaka kung ano yung kinuha ko sa actual camera. Alright guys, so we are done sa downtown. Uminit na. It is, tama ba yan? 82 degrees na? Oh my god. Kaya pala mainit na. Anyways, we took some pictures, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Sana meron ako ma-share sa inyo na matinu-tinu ng konti, but we shall see on editing. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to do today. Wala naman akong plano. The wife is not coming home until past 8 tonight. I think from this point I'm just probably gonna head home, maybe sit on the computer, do some editing and upload it. We'll see. Pero ang hirap pala maging photographer guys. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung composition, hindi ko alam kung tama yung light, yung timpla, yung aperture, hindi ko alam. Ang hirap. Buti pa yung iPhone, napakadali. Point and shoot. Sana may nakuha ako maganda-ganda naman na picture from that. Uwi na tayo guys. Masyado nang mainit. It's climbing. It's already 84 degrees. Whatever I can share, lahat ng pictures na kinuha ko kanina, hindi ko siya i-edit. Isi-send ko lang siya na kung as how I took it, you know, kung paano yung raw pictures. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that short content natin na pag-drive natin sa downtown and pag-take ng mga pictures ng mga murals sa art district. Marami rin siya mga restaurants doon actually. Kaso ayoko naman pumasok sa establishment or sa restaurant na ako lang mag-isa. Siguro we'll wait pagka dumating yung time na may mga kasama tayong pwedeng tumambay sa downtown, and we can show you guys more of it. Tama nga yung sinabi ni Bomac TV sa vlog niya kahapon na soon enough it's gonna be really hot here. Magna 90s, 100s na kami. So may hirapan na tayo mag-ride yan sa during the day kasi masyado talaga mainit. Karamihan ng rides natin yan, I'm sure it's gonna be at night time. Pero downtown would be one of the destinations na pupuntahan natin pagka gamit natin ang mga scooters or ang mga Vespas. So stay tuned for that. When it gets warmer or really hot during the summer days, we'll show you guys the nightlife downtown. Anyways, I won't be taking you guys all the way back home. Yun na lang yung aking i-share for today. Thank you guys for coming with me. Thank you for taking the time, stopping by and watching the video. I really appreciate it. Sa ating mga old subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. And sa mga bagong dating at bagong tambay, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And hopefully you guys will enjoy our future contents. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.